Hello and welcome back to SEO Science. In the world of digital creativity and design, Canva has emerged as a true success story, making over $1 billion in revenue by capitalizing on the power of SEO. This video will delve into the history of Canva, its struggles, and how it evolved into an online creative giant through a well-executed SEO strategy. But before we dive in, let's see what Ahrefs can tell us about Canva. As you can see from these statistics taken from the last 6 months. Domain rating, meaning the strength of Canva's backlink profile compared to other websites in the Ahrefs database on a 100-point logarithmic scale is 92. UR rating, showing the strength of Canva's page's backlink profile on a 100-point logarithmic scale is 62. Backlinks, meaning the total number of links from other websites pointing to Canva, is 26.5 million. Ref domains, meaning the total number of unique domains linking to Canva, is 272,000. Keywords, meaning the total number of keywords that Canva ranks for in the top 100 organic search results, is 6.2 million. Traffic, meaning the estimated number of monthly visits that Canva gets from organic search, is 147 million. And here you can see Canva's top pages, how much traffic each page gets, and volume. The genesis of Canva. Canva was founded in 2012 by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Oberecht, and Cameron Adams. The trio, hailing from Australia, recognised the need for a user-friendly design platform that would enable individuals and businesses to create visually appealing content without the need for extensive design skills. Early struggles and pivotal moments. Lack of funding. In its early days, Canva struggled to secure funding. Melanie Perkins and her team faced numerous rejections from venture capitalists. However, this didn't deter them from pursuing their vision. Bootstrapping. To overcome the funding challenge, Canva initially operated on a shoestring budget, with the founders doing much of the work themselves. They focused on building a minimal viable product and gaining user feedback. Market fit. Canva's breakthrough came when they realised the need to pivot from being a social networking platform for designers to a simple web-based design tool for non-designers. This shift allowed Canva to find its product market fit, the SEO strategy that transformed Canva. While the struggles were significant, Canva's strategic use of SEO played a pivotal role in transforming the company into a billion-dollar success. Content optimization. Canva invested heavily in creating high-quality content, educational content related to design, graphic elements, and tutorials. They optimized their blog posts and resource pages for relevant keywords, making them rank higher in search engines. User-centric approach. Canva constantly collected user feedback and analysed search trends. They used this data to develop new features and content that catered to users' needs, making the platform more valuable. Scalable SEO practices. As Canva expanded its offering to include a wide range of design tools and templates, they ensured that each new edition was optimized for SEO. This meant more pages and content, which increased their online visibility. Mobile optimization. Recognizing the growing importance of mobile devices, Canva made sure that its platform was responsive and mobile friendly. This optimization improved user experience and search engine rankings. Integration with social media. Canva integrated with various social media platforms, allowing users to seamlessly share their creations. This integration not only drove more traffic to Canva, but also enhanced their social media presence, becoming an online creative giant. Canva's relentless focus on SEO, coupled with continuous innovation and user centricity, transformed the company into an online creative giant. Some key milestones in their journey include global expansion. Canva expanded its user base to over 190 countries, making it a global phenomenon. This expansion was aided by their internationalization efforts, including translating the platform to multiple languages. Business solutions. Recognizing the needs of businesses and organizations, Canva introduced Canva for Work, a premium subscription service. This not only diversified their revenue streams, but also created a broader audience. Partnerships and collaborations. Canva formed partnerships with major companies and organizations such as Dropbox, Google, and non-profits like UNICEF. These collaborations enhanced Canva's credibility and user reach. Continuous innovation. Canva continued to innovate by adding new design tools, templates, and features regularly. This kept users engaged and encouraged them to return to the platform. Conclusion. Canva's remarkable journey from a struggling startup to a billion-dollar online creative giant is a testament to the power of SEO. The story of Canva serves as an inspiration to entrepreneurs and marketers, highlighting the impact that SEO has on building a successful online business. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more case studies or fantastic marketing tips. Until next time, happy optimizing. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.